In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in TikTok seller account. If you're a new or existing seller, this walkthrough will help you get into your seller center smoothly and avoid common login hiccups. First, open the official TikTok seller website in your preferred web browser. For the best experience, use a modern, up-to-date browser and a stable internet connection. Take a second to confirm you're on the legitimate site by checking the address bar and looking for a secure connection icon. Bookmarking the page now can save you time later. This guide assumes you've already signed up on TikTok and have a seller profile associated with your TikTok account. With that in place, look for the Login button on the seller website's homepage. Depending on your device or region, the button might be in the top right corner or near the center of the page. Click it to open the login options. On the login screen, choose Login with TikTok account. This is the fastest, most seamless way to access your TikTok seller account because it uses your existing TikTok credentials. You'll be redirected to the TikTok authorization page. Check that the page looks official before proceeding. If you're already signed into TikTok on your browser, you might just need to confirm access. If not, you'll be prompted to enter your TikTok details and follow the on-screen instructions. If you have security features like verification codes enabled, complete those prompts as requested. These extra steps are normal and help protect your account. Once you confirm, you'll be sent back to the Seller Center automatically. You should now see your dashboard where you can manage products, orders, performance, and shop settings. If you manage multiple TikTok accounts, double-check that you're logged into the correct one to avoid accidentally accessing the wrong shop. A few quick tips if something doesn't load correctly. Refresh the page, try a different browser, or clear your cache and cookies before logging in again. If the site appears in a different language or region, look for a region or language selector usually found in the footer or header. And if the login button doesn't respond, make sure any pop-up blockers or strict privacy extensions aren't interfering. That's it. Open the TikTok seller website, click Login, and select Login with TikTok account. Follow the prompts, and you'll be inside your seller center in no time. Thanks for watching and happy selling.